Hey, what's up? This is Makeover, an extraordinary hairstylist in Chicago. Let's get some transformations in order. This is one of them. We gonna start off with her. Stay tuned. Don't turn yet. We finna get another one. She got a little bob. That's not how it started. But I just want to grab your attention so you can stay and wait. What y'all think? Come on, I need a comment, a like. Okay, and this the other one. I know y'all like that color, okay? So we're going to get into transformation hairstyling. I do a lot of transformations. I'm not I just want my hair shampooed. No, I'm about to cut your hair and give you a shape. Now, let's start with this young lady. Hair bussing, color bussing. But we have to keep in mind, we want to keep the integrity of her hair. I'm not about to perm that color because I want her hair. I don't want to kill her bonds that hold her hair together. I don't want to over process it and it starts breaking off. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just cut the bottom and give her a rounded haircut. Look at me, girl, hurry up. So I'm just gonna cut it. Look, that's what I had my stuff together. So stay tuned, don't turn. Okay, here I go. And I'm just going to use my clippers. And I'm going there and I'm going to cut. I like to do this, not for everybody, but when I have a lot of texture that I'm dealing with, I am going to cut it. I would not recommend this for any and everybody, to each his own. This takes precision and it takes experience. This isn't nothing that you just want to go in. You want to make sure the back of their head is smooth, because it has been times, honey, when I done did that and they got a whole pack of hot dogs in the back. But luckily, she did not. So we're going to go in there. We're going to define it with those shears, honey. Yes, look at me. With those shears, I am going in there because I'm about to perm her hair. I'm relaxing this part. Excuse me. I am going to relax this part of her hair. Why? Because I want it to lay down. Okay, here I go again, running my mouth as usual. And I love to. And I'm going in there and I'm feeling her hair. This after the relaxer. You see it's laying down like I wanted it to. So while I finish, yes, okay, come get this. You can book at natereedsalute.com, and you can also book for a virtual consultation. I am a Chicago-based hairstylist. Now back to my homegirl. With the bob that we started with, look at all this. Now this is how she started. Yes, she got a relaxer, honey. We didn't do no silk out. If that's what you want to do, you can do that too. But sometimes, we going to go take it back and do a relaxer. Relaxers is a chemical. And yes, it may not agree with everybody. And some people, it agrees and it aligns with their lifestyle. So we did a relaxer. And then that was after we cut it. I ain't show all that video with that. But with this, you get the idea how she started. Look at her. Mama ready to go. She like, that's enough. Look at me with my little bob. And that is her hair. Now we're going to go in there. We're going to emphasize it. I just wanted her to see how it looked when it was being straight. How that shape is in there and how she was ready. So we put some curls in there. And look at her. She got a little sparkle in her eye. She on that phone. She like, hurry up with these pictures, honey, because I got something to do and I got somewhere to go. Okay? When they got the phone out, that it lets you know it's over with. Wrap this stuff up. Look at her. She's smiling now. She got body. She has control. And look, I like it. No weed was used in the making of any of these styles. You can keep me in your thoughts. Press like, share, love, leave a comment, do whatever. I need it all and I appreciate it all. Thank you. Continue to be blessed. This is Nate Reed Salute. Okay, y'all, tell a friend. Thumbs up.